Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers, and welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we dive into the depths of knowledge and unravel the mysteries of the universe. I am your host, Faiz, and today, we embark on an awe-inspiring cosmic journey to explore the captivating story behind the creation of Earth's moon. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on this enlightening adventure together. The creation of Earth's moon is a fascinating tale that has intrigued scientists and astronomers for centuries. Join me as we delve into the captivating theories that attempt to explain the origins of our celestial companion. Imagine a time billions of years ago when our solar system was still in its infancy. One prevailing theory suggests that a colossal collision occurred between a young Earth and a Mars-sized object named Theia. This cataclysmic event, known as the giant impact, forever changed the course of our planet and gave birth to our moon. Through meticulous research and advanced simulations, scientists have pieced together the sequence of events that followed this monumental collision. The intense heat and energy generated by the impact caused both Earth and Theia to become molten, with debris scattering into space. Over time, this debris gradually came together through a process known as accretion, forming what would eventually become our moon. The moon's unique characteristics, such as its size, composition, and lack of a significant atmosphere, offer clues to its origin. Lunar missions, such as the Apollo program, have provided scientists with invaluable data and lunar samples, enabling us to gain deeper insights into the moon's geological history and its connection to Earth. But the story doesn't end there. The moon plays a crucial role in the dynamics of our planet. Its gravitational pull stabilizes Earth's axial tilt, ensuring the stability of our seasons and climate. The moon's tidal forces shape our oceans, creating the ebb and flow of tides that influence marine life and coastal ecosystems. As we continue to explore the wonders of space, the story of our moon's creation remains a captivating and ongoing area of scientific research. Join me on this cosmic voyage as we unravel the mysteries behind Earth's moon, delving into scientific theories and captivating discoveries along the way. Remember to like, comment, and share this enlightening journey with fellow space enthusiasts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to join us on future expeditions as we uncover the marvels of the universe. Thank you for joining me today on this extraordinary exploration of Earth's moon. Until next time, take care, keep exploring, and may the wonders of the cosmos continue to inspire us all.